Respected dignitaries, faculty, staff, parents, my dear students and graduates, a very good afternoon to one and all present here. I'm immensely pleased to welcome you all to Civil Engineering Department's Degree Distribution Program at IIT Madras. I'm Keertana Krupakaran, Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering. I'll be the Master of Ceremony for today's event. I request our Head of the Department, Professor Benny Raphael, to accompany our Chief Guest, Ms. Millie Majumdar, to the dais. A convocation is a much-awaited event in every student's life. It's the culmination of all their efforts throughout their academic endeavor. It gives a sense of achievement and a sense of responsibility towards fulfilling further commitments. Before we start, I request everyone to rise for the invocation song, Tamil Taivarthu, followed by Vande Mataram. Thank you.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்த கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ்பரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கனமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரிதனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிலமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே 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 வந்தே மாதரம் வந்தே மாதரம் சுஜலா சுஃபலா மலயஜ शीतला सस्य श्यामला मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी फुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
Thank you all. Please be seated. Now, I request Professor Benny Raphael, Head of the Civil Engineering Department, to present the annual report.
Respected Chief Guest, graduates, faculty colleagues, and friends, on behalf of the department, I extend a warm welcome to the graduates and a special invitation to the proud parents, relatives, and friends of graduates. I welcome all the invitees, including faculty colleagues, staff, students, and research scholars. Today, 113 BTech, 14 dual degree, 37 PhD, 17 MS, and 82 MTech degrees are being awarded. As most of you are aware, the Department of Civil Engineering is among the oldest departments of IIT Madras, which has been in existence since 1959. The department is in its 65th year of pursuit towards excellence with a vision to be the department of the first choice for all those who seek to learn, conduct research, and find solutions to practical problems related to civil engineering. Our department is the third largest in the institute in terms of faculty and student strength. Presently, we have 466 BTech, 21 dual degree, 197 MTech, 27 MS, and 270 PhD scholars. We have 21% women students in our undergraduate program and 28% in our PG program. 62 full-time faculty members engage with 1,000 plus students and scholars in enabling them to mature in their professional growth and emotional well-being. I'm glad that 2 new faculty members joined our department during this academic year, in addition to 6 who joined last year. The department is continuously growing to meet the demands of high-quality education and research. Many of our faculty members are recognized by the institute for their leadership abilities and have been assigned institute-level administrative positions. We have 10 chair professors who have made their mark in their areas of expertise. We have 4 distinguished professors from all around the world actively contributing to the institute with their unique expertise and skills. We have 4 professors of practice who bring enormous experiential and practical knowledge to our teaching and research. I extend my gratitude to the 18 staff members who are giving their best support to the department. They facilitate the smooth functioning of both the administrative and lab-related works. Our faculty have been consistently winning various awards and recognitions from around the world. Our students have also made us proud with their achievements. Our faculty have a long history of writing books, bestsellers, and research monographs. We are proud that our alumnus, Ms. Millie Majumdar, who is our chief guest today, won the Distinguished Alumnus Award for the year 2024. During this academic year, we secured sponsored research projects from agencies like DST and also from the industry for a total value of about 70 crore. This demonstrates the confidence the industry is having in our faculty. This year has been very productive in terms of patent applications. We are very happy to share that 28 patents have been granted, while 43 new patents have been filed this year. Our centers of excellence have been active in conducting workshops and developing high-impact technological solutions. The Center for Low Carbon and Lean Construction has been actively working on construction technologies and materials and have attracted attention in the press and social media. This includes 3D printing, material characterization, virtual reality, etc. The Transportation Division facilitated several faculty visits and student exchanges to European and Australian universities to deepen existing collaborations and foster new research partnerships. The Transportation Division is leading the Mobility and Intelligent Transportation Collaborative towards building a global mobility digital infrastructure. The aim is to achieve a 50% reduction in total transport emissions and fatalities. The division celebrated the 50th anniversary of the initiation of the Transportation Division at IIT Madras. Self-driving and driver assistance technologies developed by the Transportation Engineering Group have generated a lot of attention. The Geotechnical Engineering Research Group has undertaken several projects of national importance. This includes subsurface mechanics and geoenergy project and dam safety guidelines to reduce the risk associated with various geohazards. Our Geotechnical Engineering Group has been working on ensuring the safety of Ramappa Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and other important infrastructure of the country. State-of-the-art testing facilities such as acoustic velocity transducer, high-pressure temperature and gas control triaxial apparatus, seismic acquisition systems, and pore size analyzer are present in our department. We also house high-speed computing facilities and in-house subsurface simulators to solve various geotechnical problems. National Center for Safety of Heritage Structures worked with the Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments Department, Government of Tamil Nadu, through a multidisciplinary pilot project for the structural restoration of the 12th century AD Chola temple of Abad Sahayeshwar at Tukachi village in Kumbakonam after being in a dilapidated state for over 70 years. Integrated river and ocean modeling systems developed by our faculty in the HWRE division can be used for various flow simulations such as dam break flow, urban floods, storm surge propagation, and coastal floods, compound floods during cyclonic events, etc. These simulations help in understanding the implications of storms and floods. Monitoring systems have been set up by our faculty and their output are used in the urban flood studies. A novel, low-cost, eco-friendly electrochemical technology for removal of color and salt from textile industry was developed with funding from Indo-German Science and Technology Center. The technology was successfully piloted at a common effluent treatment plant and demonstrated to 150 industry participants and pollution control board engineers. We have 2 centers of excellence and a research center working in the area of water and sustainability. Many technologies are being developed, patented, and some are transferred to various clients. This year, our open house event attracted more than 1,000 visitors. Our department won the 2nd prize for the best laboratory visits during the Institute Open House. Let me highlight the activities of the Civil Engineering Association, the student-driven initiative. There were insightful lectures, interactive talks, and events organized throughout the year. The flagship event, CEA Fest, is a 3-day technical event in which students pursuing civil engineering from various colleges around the country stay here and compete in various events and participate in workshops. This year featured a gathering of 500 plus students from 150 colleges across the country. I conclude by acknowledging the significant contributions made by all the faculty and staff members, students, scholars, and a host of project staff members. I wish all the graduates a professionally enriching career I wish them all the best to take off successfully to start their new journey in life. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Benny, for giving an overview of the departmental activities for the year 2023 and 2024. Now, it's my pleasure and privilege to introduce our chief guest of the day, Ms. Millie Majumdar, Managing Director of Green Building Council of India and Senior Vice President of US Green Building Council. Ms. Millie Majumdar's journey as a pioneer in sustainable development and green building initiatives has truly been exceptional. After graduating with a Bachelor of Architecture degree from Jadavpur University in 1990 and a Master of Technology degree from Indian Institute of Technology, Madras in 1992, she embarked on a remarkable career path that has reshaped the landscape of urban sustainability and environmental advocacy in India. Ms. Majumdar's visionary leadership and expertise have been instrumental in driving significant advancements in the field of green building and sustainable habitat development. With over 30 years of professional expertise, she was instrumental in the formulation of India's important green and energy-efficient building policies. Ms. Majumdar led a team that conceptualized and developed an indigenous system for green building rating called Green Rating for Integrated Habitat Assessment, GRIHA, which was adopted as India's national green building rating system in 2007 and was also recognized by United Nations Environment Program, UNEP, as a tool for achieving the Paris Climate Agreement's Paris Climate Goals. As the Managing Director of Green Building Business Certification Institute, GBCI, and Senior Vice President at the US Green Building Council, USGBC, her strategic guidance has propelled the implementation of LEED, the world's most widely used green building program, across the Asia-Pacific region and beyond. She now leads Innovation and Research Center at USGBC. Throughout her tenure, Ms. Majumdar has spearheaded the development of innovative certification programs, including LEED for cities and communities and LEED residential, fostering the design and construction of environmentally sustainable and socially equitable urban spaces. Ms. Majumdar's impactful contribution extends beyond her professional endeavors. She has played a pivotal role in nurturing strategic partnerships and alliances with public and private sectors, advocating for equity initiatives, and mentoring young professionals in the field of sustainability. She is the author of several notable books and publications that are widely referenced in academia and industry. Recognized for her outstanding achievements, Ms. Majumdar has been honored with prestigious accolades, some of which include Construction World Women of the Year 2011 by ASAPP Media, Realty Plus Award on Sustainability in 2021, SEEM Award for Exemplary Contribution in Energy and Environment in 2021, and Women in Sustainability Award USA in 2022. In acknowledgement of her unwavering dedication, transformative leadership, and profound impact on sustainable development, the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras has conferred Ms. Millie Majumdar with Distinguished Alumni Award for the year 2024. Now, I request our chief guest, Ms. Millie Majumdar, to deliver the presidential address.
Good afternoon. Can I hear a response back? Good afternoon. Loud and clear. So all the students do a victory sign. You are all winners today. Excellent. I'm very proud of all of you. So as I stand here today, it's very nostalgic for me because 30 years back I was in the same seat that you are sitting now, waiting eagerly to have my turn and to receive the award. So what a proud moment for all of you, and I congratulate all the students who are receiving their degree today, all the parents, because without parents, family and friends, you could have never gotten here. So please remember them all through your journey. And one more important thing, your teachers, your peers, your friends, they have been very important part of this process. So maybe, I will not be there 30 years hence, but many of you will be standing here. So please pay your respect to them, remember them, because there is nothing, beyond humanity that exists in this life. So with this and the congratulatory message to all of you, today I wanted to, talk to you about the field that is very dear to my heart and which I chose as my profession. So just a few words from my experience. When I studied here, that time I didn't have, we didn't have computers, we didn't have internet. For one phone call from our parents' home, we had to wait so there was only one hostel here, Sarayu Hostel. So we all students used to wait eagerly around a black box telephone there, waiting for a phone that comes from home after 10 o'clock when STD rates went down to 1/4. So from that time to now, you are all, kind of blessed with lot of information, with lot of gadgets. And the power of information is very good, but we should know how to use it properly. And one of the things which I have learned from, staying in IIT Madras is that you need to respect nature. You need to respect your environment. Then only it will give back to you. We are all aware of the fact that climate change is, overwhelming, and the brunt of climate change is being faced so much by the world, and particularly the vulnerable population out there are most impacted. And I'm sure many of you would be working in your core field, which is civil engineering, and would be driving a lot of construction, infrastructure, and other projects. Even if you shift, your discipline to some other areas, but buildings, infrastructure, what you use to commute, what you use every day, to live your life would be an integral part. So how do you really, kind of use your own engineering skill sets and respect nature to co-create with nature? So I've just put together some of my learnings and thoughts and what I have been practicing, and I'm sure, you would take some of the lessons in your future work. So as I say, you have to respect nature if you have to gain anything in life. So what do I mean by respecting nature? It's primarily, minimize the damage and use nature-based solutions. You are very proud, recipients of degree from this institute, and one differentiating factor of this campus vis-a-vis other IIT campuses, which you may have visited, is the greenery that you have here. And I still remember 30 years back, though much more construction has happened now, but it used to have the same look and feel, the same greenery, and I'm given to learn that the greenery has gone up. So how do you do it? Still managing the developmental requirement. So, and there are engineering principles which you can follow to be able to respect nature. We are all aware, that if you do not respect nature, what happens? In 2013, and this has been a repeat also over several years, we know the massive floods that hampered, the entire landscape of Uttarakhand up in the Himalayas. That, of course, many of us know that it's due to the sudden, cloud burst out there, but the unrestrained urbanization and not respecting nature, clearing off the slopes without, addressing the erosion and the other things that are consequential was a result of that. So how do you do things differently? And there are different ways in which you can do it. So these are a few concepts that I have put together for all of you to take forward, that try, when you are doing any infrastructure project, try to imbibe the concepts of nature-based solutions in infrastructure design. Try to have, minimize urban heat island impacts. I'll talk about that. I'll talk a bit about biophilic design, and very importantly now, as we are trying to address climate change in a big way, all of you would have heard that India wants to be net zero by 2070. So what is your role as civil engineer to help this decarbonization process and help India to achieve that 2070 goals? And finally, I'll leave back with some thoughts on regenerative design, that we have come to a time when it is not enough to only recycle, reuse, and minimize damage, but it's time to give back more than we have taken from the environment. Now, specifically talking about nature-based solutions, so this is an example of a slope stabilization project using nature-based solutions in Colombia, where about 31% of people are impacted by disaster. And there, the community as a whole got together and designed nature-based solution using slope stabilization, using natural materials, plantations, and other measures to do that. So, when you are given to design an infrastructure project, I think it's very important to look at the cusp of gray and green infrastructure, the gray and blue infrastructure, and not only, overbuild and make it gray, but respect nature. And that will help you also in not only in achieving your objective of a good infrastructure, but also, managing the impacts that I'm talking about. So there are technical ways of doing that, and I'm sure you would learn more in your practice. And these are some, examples where it has been followed, and the results are there to see. The next, I would talk about one project, which is there in the US, because I work for the US Green Building Council, and we know a lot of projects that have succeeded in containing their stormwater, in maintaining sustainable urban drainage system, so that overflooding around a particular community doesn't happen. This is one such example for Center for Landscape in the state, in Oregon, in Pittsburgh. So, and it's a very good example of such a project. And not only it has kind of, help to revive or contain the entire stormwater within its own territory, but also has given way to a lot of native plantations. The next concept, I come from Delhi, and this year Delhi saw an unprecedented climate, impact of increased temperature rise of up to 52 degrees Celsius. It has never happened. And one of the important factor that's driving is the increase in the urban heat island impact. So basically what happens is, all the structures that we are part of an urban development that absorbs heat during the daytime, all the roads, all the buildings, all the surfaces, and the heat cannot, kind of escape out at night to the atmosphere, and there is a buildup of the heat. And you would obviously feel it when you drive inside this campus. You will find that the temperature here is several notches lower than you would have it outside. So how do you really, kind of influence urban planning so that this urban heat island impact is less? And not only it helps to reduce your, external temperature rise, but it also has a great impact on decarbonizing a city level. Imagine a city with a 5-degree temperature less will have so much less load on a building that is designed within it, so much less air conditioning load. So at an urban level, I think it's very important to imbibe concepts of urban heat island reduction. We did a study, when I was in Terry long back, in Bangalore, where of course it's notionally very green, but we found that there's a distinct temperature difference between the urban areas and the green areas. And one more interesting fact is that it's not enough to green it. You know, you have to also have to kind of design for the greenery in an efficient way. It was seen that where the canopy area is very high with dense foliage, there the urban temperatures during night time is higher than the ones where there is lesser, you know, where there is sparse vegetation. Why? Because the canopy area does not let the heat out. So there are different techniques. So I think this is also very important that you should look at UHI as a concept. And now, you know, in the projects that we deliver, we also ensure that the plantations not only help with the urban heat island reduction, but also supplement maybe, you know, some common causes like food security. So you can also club urban agriculture and other concepts with concepts of heat island reduction. The city of New York has a very, you know, kind of good policy around cool roof. That is a very important concept to reduce urban heat islands. And there are many innovative ways where projects have followed it, this being one of the rooftop, you know, kind of escape for an architecture office in New York, where they have not only addressed urban heat island, but also have converted it into, you know, kind of a biodiversity park. The second, you know, the next concept which I talk about is the concept of imbibing nature, learn from nature. Nature gives you very good cues on designing, even good structures, important structures that could be, you know, kind of sensitive to what you need, plus respect nature. We all know bamboo, you know, it bends, but it is very difficult to break it. So there is an inherent strength built within it. So how do you really, you know, kind of imbibe into architectural forms? Take this example of one of the tallest buildings in the world, you know, which is Taipei 101, and it is built next to a very deep fault line. And the architects imbibe the concept from a bamboo tree, which is a very auspicious also, you know, kind of structure in Chinese architecture. You know, it imbibes the form of a pagoda and bamboo, and they delivered a structurally very high level, you know, a structurally stable building that not only imbibes from nature, but also it provides for the structural instability that this building is likely to face because of the fault line, as well as Taipei, you know, and Taiwan, we know, is very prone to very high amount of cyclones and other storms. But these buildings can also be designed to be energy efficient, to have low embodied carbon, to be, you know, efficient on the indoor environmental quality. So this cusp of technology and environment is very important, that how do you deliver good quality solutions, but also make it, you know, kind of efficient on all terms. And people say that when you enter this building, it's like a walk in the park because the indoor environmental quality is so good. There are similar, you know, many examples which I can take and go on and on this. One of these being, you know, like there are concepts which are called natural analogs, which is that you imbibe from nature. This Beijing Stadium that was built around Olympics is imbibed from a nature's, you know, very simple concept of the bird's nest. The Green School in Bali, which is again a very, you know, kind of well-known example of sustainable architecture, uses bamboo in various forms to give shape to the spaces that it has created. So material connection with nature, biomorphic forms, and fabric are very key concepts that, you know, one can imbibe in your civil and infrastructure practices. Finally, you know, as I mentioned that we are in this very important collective journey of decarbonizing the world, decarbonizing India. And one thing which is very important and which all civil engineers should play an active role is that what is your role, you know, in decarbonizing. So let me just give you you know, we all hear about tons of carbon. So what does really 1 ton of carbon look like? So this is what it looks like, you know. So imagine we have about 1.44 billion people in India, and we emit about 2 tons per capita. So our collective emissions are so high. So it is the onus is on us to decarbonize, so our future, you know, population can live actively. And importantly, carbon dioxide, or for that matter, any GHG emission doesn't have a boundary. What you emit in China, look at, you know, this map from NASA, which has been, you know, very very well visualized. So what you emit out there, it will eventually go all over. So, we cannot anymore live in a cocoon to say that, if I keep my eyes and ears shut, and if I myself reduce emissions, that will save me. It is not so. It will kind of finally engulf all of us, and we know what is the future of, our civilization can be if we do not take care. So my, important message to you would be that in whatever you deliver, whatever projects you do, please do imbibe concepts of decarbonization. And very importantly, if you look at emissions from the building sector, though we talk a lot about emissions from the operational energy, but there are two very significant materials that take up significant amount of emissions, which is steel and cement. So how do you optimize that on a structural level using low embodied carbon alternatives? And I think all of you are very well positioned to research, to do work around that. That will be very crucial. So now, in the realm of sustainable construction, we not only, talk about operational energy, as I said, so the whole life cycle carbon assessment is very important. And all the codes and standards currently in India are getting revised, and I'm also part of the National Building Code of India revision, which is looking at construction materials, reducing embodied emissions of construction material in deeper way. So time is now to make a difference, and all of you, I think, are empowered to do that. And there are several examples where it has been tried and tested. I can go on and on, but you are all waiting eagerly for your degrees. So finally, I leave with a message that, you all are pass outs of IITM, and you all are empowered to deliver, to the future of humanity, and the future is very bright. Believe me, if you are true to yourself, if you follow your dreams, if you're passionate about what you do, and very importantly, if you practice the path of empathy, compassion, and fellow feeling, you can, I don't say sky is the limit anymore, your limit is endless. And I wish you really, really good luck. But also remain rooted, from where you belong. So don't forget your roots. And Mother Nature is something which we all should respect. So thank you very much, and I wish you all very good luck.
Thank you, Madam, for giving us insights into nature-based infrastructure solutions. I'm sure our graduates and everyone in the audience will incorporate the green concepts when they build their home. So finally, the most awaited moment of the day has arrived, the distribution of degrees to the graduates. Graduates, as your names are called out, please come to the dais and receive the prizes and degrees. Now I request our chief guest, Ms. Millie Majumdar, to hand over the prizes to the prize winners. We'll first start with the student award winners for their academic distinction. First, we have Sri Gayatri Devi Award for the women scholar with the highest CGPA in civil engineering, awarded to Atma Kumari Priyanka. Sri Harsha Memorial Prize for the scholar with the best MS thesis in structural engineering is awarded to Barbade Chaitanya Santeshwar. Valli Ananta Ramakrishnan Merit Prize to the MTech student with the best academic record in civil engineering, and Rajnikant Gandhi Memorial Award is awarded to MTech student with the best academic record in geotechnical engineering. Both goes to Adarsh P. Professor Plehan Prize for the MTech student with the best experimental thesis in structural engineering is awarded to Mohammad Rashid Khan. K. Devarajan Memorial Prize for the MTech student with the best academic record is awarded to Aditya Pratap Singh. Larsen and Toubro Endowment Prize to the MTech student with the best academic record in construction technology and management, awarded to Mateshwaran S. Duvuru Sarada Award for student with the best academic record in GN 6001, Integral Karma Yoga, to Lakshmi PS. Let's give a big round of applause to all the prize winners. We next move on to PhD degree distribution. We first have Chandrasekhar Akela. Deepa Rani R. Sangeeta K. Jose Ruby J. Sriram S. Shilpa LS. Manjari T. Jayapratiga M. Ganesh AR. Akshay Sakre. Kirtiga SM. Sachin Paul. Menaka AS. Devapriya A.S. Atanu Behra. Kumbha Matlangwar. Jesna. Aishwarya Shaji. Chellapilla Harita. Aishwarya Shaji. Shubham Raj. Dia M. Shruti Jairaj. Sri Lakshmi KM. Gopika I. Yella Pragada Meenakshi. Ashwin Giri J. Anandaroop Lahiri. Paul Shaji. Archana AP. Now we have come to the end of PhD degree distribution. Let's give a big round of applause to all the PhD graduates. Now we move on to MS graduates. We first have Swarnadeep Mukherjee. Parul Priya. Sharad Prasad. Ritik Anand. Aniket Kumar Patel. Sumanta Kumar Roy. Gunashekaran. We have come to the end of MS degree distribution graduates. Let's give a big round of applause to all the MS graduates. Now we move on to MTech graduates. Pratik Kamboj. Sumukh Swaroop CR. Pranav Kumar Joshi. Suraj Sadasivan. Rashpreet Singh Mahal. Malve Aishwarya Ajay. Ankit Kumar Sunny. Ashwin J. Aaron. Atul Ranjan. Kulkarni Jeet Rajesh. Rishikesh P. Shubhajit Sikdar. Darshan CR. Dibakar Roy Sarkar. Jai Ghosh Halaki. Naikoti Saikaran. Aishwarya S. Prasulla Sindhuja Reddy. Ashik Hussain bin Mastak. Chittimi Reddy Mohit Kumar. Kandela Premchand. Nanak Badra. Jamded Nayan Gangadhar. Pratik Kumar Sahu. Bommanagiri Sri Rashmi. Sri Venkatachala Subramanya Saket Angara. Veeramalla Ashrita. Abhishek Khatri. Amandeep. Anuranjan Singh. Gaurav Kumar Meena. Puligundla Gunasekar. Adarsh R. Akash Chakraborty. Akash Kumar. Akul Sirohi. Ambed Kumar Yadav. Amit G. Singh. Ankur Tripathi. Ayush Kumar Mishra. Chavda Dhairya Rajesh Bhai. Deveshwar Nishad. Dharini T. Divyanshu Parahua. Harish Kumar R. Iti Agarwal. Kamila Yashwant Kumar. Ponuju Meenakshi. Chinnai Adula Revati. Monica Gupta. Nelvin Mani Kurekos. Kajal Jain. Velani Malav Rajesh Anita. Saloni Singh. Varun Kumar. Vellama Srinivasa Rao. Suresh. Vishal Solanki. Velma Sumanashree. Bhojraj Bhatt. Milan Casey. Priyanka Chaudhary. Robin Shah. Let's give a big round of applause to all the MTech graduates. Now we move on to dual degree program graduates. We first have Ashwin Kumar R. Vamsi Vasu Bokinala. Chammarti Venkata Kaushik Abhiram. Jaraij Ibn Bashir. Lingala Akshit Babu. Lingala Ankit Babu. V.S. Hari Govind. S. Vishnu Tej. Vedru Arvind Chaudhary. Kunal Jha. Let's give a big round of applause to all the dual degree graduates. Now we move on to our youngest lot, BTech degree graduates. We first have Agnes Nirmala Srinivasan. Allu Ramoji Rao. Amit Kumar. Arvind. Aryaman Singh. Asharam Karthik. Atharva Ajay Vaze. Ayush Kumar Gupta. Ayush Tiwari. Ayushi Gupta. Banatu Abhiram Koti. Bedia Mitesh Deepakpai. Vandi Harshit. Bhavya Sailesh Jain. B. Seti Jeevan Arvind Ganesh. Bhupendra Kandavaria. Bokka Rama Manoja Nagasaket. Chaudhary Rajesh Prabhuram. Chitti Boyna Harika. Chityala Shri Harshit. Dareli Karthik. Dibba Charan Kumar. Dohil Kumar Sakre. Drashti Jajodia. Gumadi Sanjay. Gumakonda Harita. Guntakanti Prasad. Hanu Gupta. Hari Krishnan S. Jadav Rishikesh Prem Singh. Jinsha J. Joshi Chaitanya Neelish Kumar. Karthik Chaurasia. Kata Yagna Manjari Reddy. Kemaya Jamgonkar. Koe Prashant. Krish Hiran Shah. Kuldeep Meena. Machana Vinay Krishna. Madhav V. Rajiv. Mangalapelli Abhiram. Mohammad Nihad U. Nalla Harshita. Nandana Dilip. Patlavat Ritika. Patil Mitali Sandeep. Pedada Jyotsna. Pinipe Shri Snigdha Rishita. Ponsugan Mutturaman. Porika Sai Kirtana. Prithviraj CT. Puttar Onit. Putteti Santan. Rachakonda Asrita. Rahul Bum. Rajesh Chaudhary. Reddy Malla Nishant. Rohit Kanwadia. Rohit Meena. Rohit Prajapati. M. Rohit Raja. Sarangi Jairam. Savde Soham Mahesh. Shashank Gupta. Shashank Shekhar Singh. Shri Purna S. Rao. Shri Hari Agarwal. Siddhant Sagar Patole. Siri Chandana Gera. Sonish Singhal. Sudeep Mondal. Uligi Vishwita. Umesh Agarwal. Panjare Devendra Suresh. Varanasi Vaishnavi. Vikas Kumar. Yalpi Samia Tahsin. Yavkrit Swami. Arshudev Ghosh. Ashish Sharma. Ashish Sharma. Abhin Raj. Bishwajit Raut. Pranay Deep. Shubham Podar. Arun Kumar M. Shruti Sriram. Manikanda Srinivas. Aryan Kansal. Kamalesh M. Reddy Gari Sumant Reddy. Let's give a big round of applause to all the graduates. Thank you. With this, we conclude the degree distribution to the graduates. Now, I invite Allu Ramoji Rao, a student representative from the undergraduate degree program, to address the gathering.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. Good evening to everyone. So, first of all, hearty congratulations to all the graduates and my fellow batchmates, and best wishes to their parents. And indeed, this achievement is a recognition for my hard work, commitment, and to passion to stay back in core. And this feat wouldn't have been possible without a lot of support from many people who came along my way during my academic journey here. I'm deeply grateful to each and everyone, and first of all, I must thank my parents for all the support and the encouragement, and for their trust in me, for giving me absolute freedom to choose whatever I wanted to pursue. And with this achievement, I assume I am honored their trust completely, and I am dedicating this achievement to my parents for their hard work to bringing me up here. And also, I feel it's an absolute privilege to have interacted with our faculty, our department faculty, and I would like to express my sincere gratitude to each and everyone department faculty for supporting me and guiding me, and their commitment to strengthen my basics. So I'm deeply grateful for them, and also I would like to thank all of my friends. Like without them, these 4 years would be very difficult for me, and especially I would like to thank Saket and Shravani for all the support and care. And to put it simply, I'm lucky enough to get these two kids as my best friends in history. And I would like to thank my boys for everyday volleyball matches and making Jamuna as my second home. And I would like to thank Ponsugant and Harshita and Sarangi and Athava Ajay. And these are the few people I admire the most. Okay, so I'm pretty excited for the next phase of my life, and so do you. So, and I wish all the best and congratulations. And with that, I would like to conclude my speech here. And signing off, Allu Ramoji Rao.
Thank you, Allu Ramoji. Now I invite Shruti Sriram, a student representative from MTech and Dual Degree program, to address the gathering.
Good evening, everyone. Admittedly, public speaking makes me nervous, but we're kind of in a rush right now, so I feel slightly less nervous about this right now. First of all, congratulations to all of my fellow graduates, and it is a real honor to stand here before you today. It's been nearly 5 years since I joined here as a student, and I was actually the branch's closing rank. So for me to be up here, it really fills me with a lot of pride and joy, and just a lot of gratitude for the many people who made it possible for me to be up here today. I'd like to thank my teachers from school, Tuition Aha Guru, for giving me a solid foundation and keeping my love for learning alive over the course of my journey to get here. Civil, admittedly, I didn't know much about it, but I've taken courses across divisions in the department, and I owe it to our dedicated and accomplished faculty for cementing my interest in the subject and for that, I thank them sincerely. I would especially like to thank Ramesh sir and Gettu sir who guided my BTP and my DDP, as well as Manu sir, Aslam sir, Nikhil sir, and Pillai sir for their mentoring and support. I'd also like to thank the senior masters and PhD students, the lab project and administrative staff, my classmates who made it easier to get through the years online and made the years offline worth waiting for. And over the course of my time here, I've learned a lot of lessons, but at most I consider it a privilege to have studied a subject that I'm also working to build my career in. Civil engineering is great, and I'm really excited for the future. So I will cherish my time here, and I'm extremely grateful for all the experiences and the knowledge that these years have provided me. And most importantly, I'd like to thank my parents for teaching me the value of effort over results and for teaching me unconditional love. I'd like to thank my sisters, Sadhvi and Shakti, for being my sources of strength. And I would like to thank Ankit, Divya, Harini, and Nini for being for making my days so much brighter. Thank you so much. Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you, Shruti. Now I invite PhD graduate Shubham Raj, representative of research scholars, to address the gathering.
Good evening all. Respected chief guests, head and esteemed faculty of Civil Engineering Department, fellow graduates, proud parents, and all my dear friends. I stand before you filled with a mixture of gratitude, pride, and excitement. Today marks the culmination of a journey that has been both challenging and rewarding. A journey that I could not have completed alone. First and foremost, I would like to thank and show my deepest gratitude to my PhD advisor, Professor Ramamurthy. Your guidance, patience, and support have been invaluable. To my committee members, thank you for your insightful feedback and encouragements. I extend my deepest gratitude to Professor Murali Krishnan and Professor Indrapal Singh, whose collaboration, support, and guidance strategically shaped my doctoral research. I am profoundly grateful and in-depth to my loving wife and my parents, whose unwavering support and understanding have been my anchor through the heights and lows of the journey. You guys believed in me even when I was doubtful of myself. Your sacrifices and encouragement have been the foundation for me witnessing this day. To my colleagues and friends, I am thankful for the late night study sessions, tea time research insights, and mutual support we shared. We have navigated this demanding path together, and I am confident that each of us will continue to achieve greater heights in our career. As we stand on the threshold of new beginnings, I am excited about the future. This PhD is not just a degree, but it's a testament to our perseverance, curiosity, and pursuit of knowledge. It's a reminder that with dedication and hard work, we can overcome obstacles and achieve our dreams. At the end, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude once more to everyone who has been part of this journey. This accomplishment is as much yours as it is mine. Let us continue to strive for excellence and contribute positively to the nation building. Thank you.
Thank you, Shubham. Now I request Head of the Department, Professor Benny, to hand over the hamper and memento to the Chief Guest. As we have a lady of sustainability amongst us, we have handpicked the Sunrise to Sunset Sustainability Hamper, featuring zero-waste essentials and nature-based products to guide one towards eco-friendly lifestyle from dawn to dusk. We have now come to the end of the Departmental Degree Distribution Program. Thank you all for coming. I request everyone to rise for the National Anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विन्ध्य हिमाचल यमुना गङ्गा उच्छल जलधितरङ्गा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Dear all, refreshments are arranged for graduates and parents near Tamaraparni Hostel. Please take the door towards my left and volunteers will guide your way towards the refreshment area. Thank you.